Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is John. This is my channel, The Origin Factory. It is July 3rd, 2024, Wednesday. To my viewers in the United States, as you're well aware of, we are fast approaching one of our major holidays, which is referred to as the 4th of July and is known as our Independence Day. Those of you not in America and unfamiliar with the holiday, basically we celebrate it by eating, blowing stuff up, and watching fireworks. So to my American viewers, please have a happy, safe 4th of July and try not to lose any fingers. Today we're going to be talking about RC10T from Team Associated, which is the stadium truck, which we just received via UPS a couple hours ago. But before I get to all that, I want to first thank all our subscribers. We're a brand new channel. We're going into our 4th month, and what helps us the most right now to grow is subscriptions. So if you could please subscribe if you haven't already, that would help us the most. And those of you who are already subscribed, if you could continue to support us by liking, commenting, sharing, it'd be greatly appreciated. So on to RC10T. Early in the month of May, Team Associated released their 40th anniversary of the original RC10 buggy. And later in the month, around May 21st, they leaked on their website that the RC10T was on its way, which is the stadium truck. Based on the original buggy, it's also a two-wheel drive with the same chassis, a little bit bigger tires, and a truck body and all that fun stuff, plus the addition of the stealth transmission, which was a huge improvement. And they promptly pulled it from their website, and then within a couple days it was back up and they were taking pre-orders. And in the pre-order, it said they would be shipping by late June. Last week, I received an email updating the status of my order, saying that they were preparing to ship, which was still in the month of June. So kudos to them for being on time. And then later in the week, I did get my tracking number, and just a few hours ago, we received ours. And I did see other people in the United States who lived like in the state of California where they were shipped from, received theirs promptly before the end of the month. So what we're going to do today is we're going to crack open this RC10T and see what it's all about and see what's included. So we're going to switch right now to the overhead camera and see what we got. So here we go. Let's crack this one open and see what we got. Being careful not to stick the X-Acto all the way through, because I don't know how close the box is. The box that the kit's in. Trying to be careful of that we don't cut that we only cut through the tape and not anything more than that. Oh, good deal. It's sitting in there a little deeper. Packing slip. There she is. There's our second re-release of the year from Team Associated. So at this pace, do you think they're going to squeeze any more out before the end of the year? This was a complete surprise to me. I wasn't expecting to see this one. I didn't think they would put out another one so quickly, but so yeah, we're going to break the seal on this because we will be building it. My understanding that the tubs are not numbered on this one. We'll find out here in a second, but the box is a little slippery on the cutting mat. There we go. So on top, we have the stadium truck body. And it is marked for the body posts. And it's also marked for an antenna, it looks like, I'm guessing, because It's the only thing I can think of what that fifth hole would be, but very light body. Not as thick as some other ones. I don't say it as a complaint, just an observation. There we got our wheels. So we've got, the multi-pin rears and got a couple ribs on the front. 3-piece wheels, just, similar to the buggies, except they're the solid disc. What I like about these wheels is you can dye them with something like RIT fabric dye. If you wanted to change the color of these things a little bit, make them a little better looking than this kind of dirty milk white. There's our control arms, which looks like the rear ones. There's the bulkhead. Yeah, this would be the rear. We got the bulkhead. We got the shock tower in this bag. We also got the dog bones. No CVDs, unfortunately, which wasn't really ever in this kit anyways. The dreadful toolkit. Once again, no wrench. Don't get the old Team Associated wrench. This looks like that little push bumper in the front. What is this stuff? This looks like body posts. There's battery tray. There's the servo blocks. Oh, and there's those dreadful rod ends with the rods. And these do have a hex on them. Thank you. At least you can hold on to these, which frustrates me if they didn't give you the little wrench to hold on to them. It'd be nice if they repop that wrench. If you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, all their kits used to have this little 3 or 4-in-1 tool wrench to help assemble it. There is the front shock tower. The front kick-up plate that the front control arms and the control arms mount to it. There is your shock kit. Who doesn't love building shocks, right? There's the stealth transmission. And once again, the dreadful bushings. So, disappointing again that we're getting bushings. Most of us that buy this stuff would be happy to spend the extra $9 for the bearings. So there's the tub, which is black. It looks identical to the other tubs, like the clear and the gold one. This one is not numbered, if we can pick that up on the camera. It just says anniversary RC10T. So it is not a numbered pan like the buggy. Here is your servo saver steering control or steering arms and such. There is a spur gear, which, boy, that's fine. I don't know if it's 64 pitch, but. And again, it does not appear to be a paper manual. Oh, wait. This says all new RC10T instruction manual. Miracles do happen. Miracles do happen. I mean, I'm glad they did it. I wish they would have figured it out with the anniversary, since that's a limited one, but whatever. It's so nice to have a paper manual. I did not have fun building the other one off the internet, looking at a screen. So yeah, there we go. Paper manual. Glossy. Smells like fresh ink. We got a pull-out section here. Exploded view of the hardware. What other good stuff? Nice sticker kit. I do like the truck. I had a nitro one. Yeah, remember those years where we had the high impact colors, the pinks and the neon greens, and Miami Vice. What other stuff was popular then? All those fun colors. That would be the mask for the windows for painting. Whip antenna. Some 3M two-sided servo tape. Also body clips, and then those washers back in the day. You know, remember you'd stick those underneath the body mounts or on top of the body posts. So these would go between the body post and the body to help the body clip from pulling through. So it gave a little bit of reinforcement. I could see where it'd be necessary for this one because the body does feel very thin. So yeah, it's very much like the buggy kit, of course, because there really isn't that big of a difference. Besides the obvious, wheels and tires along with the truck body, the biggest difference is the stealth transmission, which is going to be a huge improvement. It just stinks that they didn't stick any bearings with this kit at all. Again, happy to see the paper manual. That's wonderful. But yeah, so we'll build it here over the 4th of July holiday and get the build video up pretty quick. So yeah, it looks, I don't know. It's not that much different from the buggy, of course. Got a black pan, all that stuff. So yeah, so that's the RC10T stadium truck. We're going to work on it here in the next few days and try to get the video up immediately since we got the 4th of July holiday going on. I'm looking forward to having the stealth transmission in one. It's a little disappointing. We still didn't get bearings. Plus side, we did get a paper manual. I guess small victories, I guess. But anyways, yeah, tell me what you think in the comments. You think Team Associate is going to put anything else out this year? You think this is the last one? I mean, this one came about really quick. This one kind of blindsided me. Yeah, tell me what you think. So, like I said, we're coming up on the 4th of July holiday. To my viewers in America, happy 4th of July. Hope you have a happy, safe weekend. And like I said, we'll be putting this together very soon. So we'll have a build video going on probably by the end of the week. So yeah, once again, thank you to our subscribers. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. That's what helps us the most right now as a new channel. And those of you who have subscribed, please continue to support us by liking, commenting, and sharing. And we'll talk to you really soon with the build video. God bless.